What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Justin, for those who know, and for those who don't know, it means you're not subscribed. So do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can know when we upload again. So in today's video, we are busy with our Golf. We do have the dashboard we are busy with. So as you can see, there's some vents that are pressed in. The dashboard isn't properly aligned. We have a gap at the window. There's a bit of a bow in it. So we'll be sorting all of that out. These vents will be replaced with most probably 3D printed ones. We know someone who can 3D print them for us, so that we're gonna get replaced. And we need to get a new cabrio. As you can see, this cabrio isn't anymore in one piece. So let's get this dashboard out, and yeah, I'm just removing the radio as well as the switches that control the heat, as well as this cover, and then I'll be removing the cluster. But I know in this clip I've been noticing that there is some wiring problems already. I can notice that some brackets are loose. So this is the part where I'm already like, does this dashboard need a replacement, or is there something I can do? Is there a plan I can make? Because I'm even noticing the cluster is broken, one bracket on the right hand side. Does the cluster now need to be replaced? I'm sure it does. The part list just grows. So this is where we're at now. We got our cluster removed as well as this cover. So we did notice there is some problems with the dashboard. We do got metal parts that are loose in the dashboard. Our heater control is broken. It has broken tabs. You can see a plan was made to tie it down with washers. Here a plan was made. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna focus on getting everything else removed so we can get this dashboard completely out, so we can figure out why this dashboard is not properly aligning. Let's have a look at what's going on, because I am we have so many loose metal screws that aren't tied properly, so it's a lot of figuring out. Let's get a dashboard out and then we take it from there. So this is where we are now. We got our dashboard out, and man, it's so dirty here, and there's so many stuff that just looks sketchy. But I saw on the dashboard some clips broke off, and some, I'm not sure what's going on. So to get all this cleaned up before I put the dashboard back. Look like a candle even somehow found its way in here. But yeah, it is a lot we have to do, but let's start with the dashboard, show you how that looks. So here in front of us now we have the dashboard. You've noticed there is some problems, like this should have been tied down to something that's attached to the dashboard, but it's no longer there. As well as you have to figure out how we're gonna tie this bracket up. But this is not the main concern. The main concern is this wiring. This wiring is just terrible. So we're gonna have to sort out, because even our aircon, it doesn't work. We have something going on here. Maybe there's no power. We have to figure that out before we can put the dashboard back. We have to do a lot of cleaning up here, but the wiring is a disaster, honestly. So let's get it sorted. So after struggling here for like 20 minutes, I had like a change of heart, change of plan. and that was to do the most sensible thing and remove the candle wax because I was getting irritated by those wires.